The final option a pregnant person has is to continue the pregnancy and become a parent. A pregnant person may raise a baby alone, with their partner, and or with the help of family and friends. So a teen has the right to continue their pregnancy regardless of age, marital status, or financial situation. If one parent participates less than the other in raising the child, then they may be required to pay child support. For anyone choosing parenthood, there are many great local community resources to help you. For example, TAP, also known as the Teenage Parenting Program, WIC, or also known as Women, Infants, and Children, and Prenatal to 3, which supports you until your child is 3 years old. So some reasons a person may choose parenthood: maybe they want to be and are ready to be a parent, maybe they have the resources and support necessary, or maybe they have cultural values or personal beliefs around pregnancy and parenthood, or maybe they don't want to get an abortion or choose adoption. So this is a friendly reminder to please fill out the question about parenthood on your handout.